President of Turkmenistan Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov in his Serdar residence received Robert Blake, the Assistant of the State Secretary of the United States of America for South and Central Asia. He arrived in Ashgabat at the head of the United States governmental delegation to take part in the consultations dedicated to development of the Turkmen-American relations. The guest conveyed regards of Hillary Clinton, the State Secretary of the United States of America, and sincerely congratulated the leader of the nation on the upcoming day of the state flag. Esteemed President emphasized with satisfaction, Turkmen-American relations have been growing with increased pace. These relations are based on the long-term principles and have gained new impetus over the recent years. According to the head of state, Turkmenistan attaches big significance to relations with the United States of America. The basis of these relations is constituted by many years' successful mutual relations and existing opportunities for their further growth. In the course of the meeting, sides exchanged views on the prospects and the present state of the priority areas of the two-sided partnership. In this connection, Turkmen leader and high-ranking official of the State Department of the United States touched upon the major areas of the current consultations. The agenda of the consultations include the issues of the cooperation for ensuring universal security, as well as the sphere of trade, economy, fuel and energy, and some other areas that cover the mutual relations. The policy of effective transformations that Turkmenistan follows in the guarantee for comprehensive growth of the country and opens favorable opportunities for expansion of the business interaction and further intensification of Turkmen-American cooperation. Esteemed President Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov and high-ranking official of the United States of America expressed hope that two-sided consultations will serve strengthening and development of the partner-friendly relations between Turkmenistan and the United States of America.